understand. I'm single now, so why would Luke Hemmings ask me to marry him? I thought that because I'd be single, Luke Hemmings would ask me to marry him. But he didn't ask me to marry him.
Who's that?
He's 5 Seconds of Summer. He's the lead singer. He's really hot.
And you want him to marry you?
Yeah. I think they made my lips bigger, too.
You're going to be happy about that, aren't you?
Yeah. I think I look like Kylie Jenner now.
No, you don't look like Kylie Jenner.
I don't?
No.
Why would you say
No,
that?
your lips do. No. No, your lips do. Your lips do. Your face does. Your lips do. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, not your face. Your lips do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think the tooth fairy does with the teeth?
Who cares? It's her thing.
Oh.
She can do whatever she wants with them. I'm blue.
You're not blue.
Look at me.
You're what?
Look at me.
It's a blanket.
I'm blue.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that better than the one you have at home?
I have a chair home.
Yeah, you have a chair
I
at
have a
home.
chair for myself.
Yeah.
No way. I have wisdom. Where'd my wisdom go?
Your wisdom teeth are gone. They took them out.
I don't have wisdom.
You do have wisdom.
No, I don't.
Why are you crying?
I don't want to listen to Rascal Flatts.
What do you want to listen to?
I don't know, change the station.
It's like...
What are you doing?
I want a rocket ship.
You want a rocket ship? It's not a marshmallow. It's not a marshmallow.
You are something else. You are a good ghost.
Yeah, remember when they froze Han Solo?
They froze Han Solo.
Yeah, but then they unfroze him. They saved him.
Well, yeah, that was my best friend.
We're on a walk and we're looking for squirrels. But don't tell Mom she's looking for me.
Okay, don't close your mouth. Keep it open.
I love you.
Logan, I'm
The cops. What about the cops? They're coming to get you? What did you do?
Whoa, it's bright out. Oh, what's wrong?
bye-bye wisdom.
Bye-bye, wisdom.
I didn't go to church. I'm gonna talk.
You can't talk.
Mom, I talk. I can't help it.
Mom, what? Be careful.
They took it away.
I want my whale.
Well, what kind of whale was it?
A beluga.
Beluga whale.
From the zoo.
It was what?
From the zoo.
From the zoo?
what, Mama? Baby, last night was hands down one of the best nights that had no doubt. This was a bottle of wine and looking the lights with the morning.
Jesse, you said you have kids? How many kids do you have? 3 kids? Who's their mom? You don't know the mom?
Julia, one and only. I'm his one and only Julia.
You are his one and only.
He only knows one Julia.
He knows.
He texted me back. Daddy!
You have to answer it.
I did answer it. I pressed hello. Hi, Dad. Guess what? I could totally get my lip pierced right now because I can't feel my face.
You still have your tongue and you still have all the rest of your teeth. No. No. Deandra, you have teeth and a tongue in your mouth.
No, I don't. I like it. My chin is saggy like an old lady.
It is. It's like it's all the way down to your like chest almost.
No. No.
Ben's in school, honey. He's in class. He's in class. Don't tell the principal. That's right.
Wait, why are you crying?
We only have half a lip.
You have a full lip.
No, we don't.
Look in the mirror.
Where's the mirror?
Here, look in the camera. Do you see your lips?
There it is. So you have 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 eyes. Wait. Okay, there are 2 now. Kind of. I don't want amusement park. The dragon's right near me.
It's Daisy.
No, that's a dragon.
It's Daisy.
No,
Yes, it is.
that dragon's are extinct.
It stinks.
What? They took my tongue out. That's so mean.
They're not mean. They didn't take your tongue. What else do you want to say?
I want to go to Petland.
Okay. We'll go, I promise.
Wait, I can't go without a tongue.
The dogs don't care if you don't have a tongue.
They don't have tongues. Can I promise you?
With me?
Yeah.
I think you want to go with a boy, don't you?
My boyfriend?
You don't have a boyfriend.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do?
I have 3 boyfriends.
You have 3?
Yeah.
Wow. Do they know?
No. I should probably tell them.
You probably should tell them, huh?
That's rude. I'm a player.
Yeah, what's wrong?
I can't hear my tongue.
Is it in your mouth? Yeah, it's in your mouth. Here, look in the mirror. There's your tongue. Your tongue's there.
I'm so happy.
You happy? You found your tongue?
I'm happy it's here.
It's there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you found your tongue. Okay, we gotta go in the house now.
Yeah. Twitter's like serious. I can stalk One Direction in 5 seconds of summer on that. I know where they're going.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't understand.